Hello South Africa. Mass casualty collision, 5 people killed in Roodepoort accident. 5 people were killed in a serious mass casualty collision in Roodepoort, Johannesburg on Thursday, January 12. Private emergency medical services company Emer-G-Med said the mass casualty collision took place on Peter Road in Roodepoort. As many as 5 fatalities have been reported at this stage, with another patient in a critical condition. An aeromedical helicopter will be activated shortly to assist on the scene, said a spokesperson. According to a local newspaper, the Roodepoort Record, a small truck allegedly crashed into vehicles as it ran through the intersection of Peter and Doreen Roads in Roodepoort. Witnesses reportedly believe the truck's brakes failed. The Roodepoort Neighborhood Watch issued an alert advising motorists to avoid Hendrik Potgieter Road. This is Leah for the South African. Please subscribe for more news updates.